Okay, so today we are looking at graphing linear equations. The first part that we're going to talk about is when we are given a slope and a y-intercept. So over here I have one problem sitting inside there. When we're given a slope and a y-intercept, the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. If you remember, the y-axis is the vertical one and the x-axis is the horizontal. So to plot my y-intercept, I'm simply going, in this problem, I'm going to where the y equals 2. And I'm going to plot a point. That's what the y-intercept is, plotting a point right there on the y-axis. Then I'm going to move my slope, the amount that they gave me the slope. So in this case, I'm going to move my slope up to, because I always do y over x, so up to, I'm going up to the right 3, and I'm going to plot a point there. So you saw I went up to the right 3, and I'm plotting a point, and then you're going to connect your dots, draw your line, and you're done. You have graphed that linear equation. Alright, now in this example, our slope is negative 1/2, our y-intercept is negative 2. So first things first, I'm going to put the point on there of the y-intercept. We remember the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So remember, this is the y, this is the x. So a y-intercept of negative 2 is going to plot right down here. Then we're going to move the amount of the slope from that point. The slope is negative 1/2. So that means we're going to go down 1 to the right 2. Okay, so again, I move from this point down 1 to the right 2. I always go down if I'm doing negative, and I'm always going to the right because I read my graph from left to right. Then I connect my 2 points, draw arrows at the end of the line, and I am done. I've completed the task.